Kazi ni kazi, heshimu kazi yako. Kazi ni kazi, upende kazi yako. Kazi ni kazi, usidharau ya mwenzio. Kazi ni kazi, usichague lolote. Ninasema ni kazi bora chakula. Ninasema ni kazi bora mapato. Waliolinda kazi wamenawiri maisha. Waliopenda kazi wanakula matunda kazi Kazi ni kazi, heshimu kazi yako.
Zara Malolo TV hamosi kamara maintie ni misawa kendo kawuono ni endi pod wanyonore mana e dala mar Siaya County kaendi kawan junction Kawas Siaya Town. An gi wendo mabende wado puonjore go kaendi e yor ohala kotenore kod ohala motimo mana kaka waero puonjore odiochienge mosekadho go endi kotenore kod ohala mopogore opogore. Machiegni wendo na makawuono to daher mar lero ni wendo na makawuono ni endi ung'won matin nikech okolonya ahinya e dhowa mwawacho mar Luo ni endi. Koro tina penjo nikech owinjo lakini obro duokowa gi Kiswahili. Mana kamano machiegni e chenro madhitai en ana Millicent Adhiambo. Machiegni wendo na makawuono, karibu sana.
Kamano, asante sana.
Yes, wewe Majina yako ni gani? Nyingi ngawa to itimo kito alamani.
Aniluonga ni Mary Atieno Mondi. And English.
Okay.
I run Junction Car Wash. I'm the manager/director of Junction Car Wash. Junction Car Wash is just opposite the governor's office in Siaya Town. And I'm always here every day just to ensure that the business runs well.
Yes. Asante sana, thank you very much. Wala ni endini chako karangoa. Ulianza lini?
I started the car wash in 2017, July 2017. I think I'm doing my 4th year, if not 5th. And so far, so good.
Yes, thank you very much. What motivated you? Angoma no jiwi mondo mi chako wala mar car wash. Nikech wang'eyo ga Zara Malolo TV ni ohala bila niendi joma chwe mohero ga time. To kawuono wayudo ka wan gi wendo kendo jawala matimo ohala niendi kohere sana. Koro daher mondo lernwa ni ang'o momiyo no chaka ng'ano jiwe mondo chak mana ohala mar car wash.
Okay, I'm really exposed on Facebook and in so many pages of business, and I was following and I saw car wash as one of them.
Yes.
Okay, I started this car wash because, okay, I'm a researcher. I'm a graduate from University of Nairobi. I've been doing research all through with PSI and Ipsos, but my job entailed a lot of traveling, so I could travel for long. But in come 2016, I lost our big sister, and I had to take the kids, and I also wanted to be around them.
Yes.
So I decided to do something that will make me always home, and that is why I settled for the car wash. Through this, I can do, and in the evening, I'm home with them.
Yes.
My kids and my late sister kids.
Yeah, what I want to know is this. Angomomio settle on car wash. We have so many businesses around there. Jo mamine nyalo timo. Koro in car wash mani yero nango. Why? Why car wash?
Okay. As we can see,
yes,
we have so many cars, yeah? So many people are buying cars. Everyone wants to buy a car. And through my research, the returns for car wash are very high. They are very high, and if only you are here to manage.
Yes.
And so many people won't like to do this work. They think that it is dirty.
Yes.
It will make them look low.
Yeah.
But because I had the passion, I love cars first of all, I have the passion, and also anything that brings money, I can do.
Yes.
So I decided to start the car wash because of 2 reasons. The business is doing well. It's one of the business that people don't like.
Yeah.
I decided to venture into dirty things.
Yeah.
I know it's dirty business, but clean money.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Mana kama na wakiwinjo kako lero ni gimomiyo no chako en nikech ji mang'eny ok ohero lilore, lakini ento elino wamwani gigo malilore ema miyo ji pesa. Koro no chako ni olilre alila lakini oyud pesa maler monyalo konyo godo ngimane kod nyithindo mabende odakgo. Machiegni. Ni chako nade? How did you start? How?
Okay, I remember when I thought about it.
Yeah.
My husband was not around. He was in Sudan.
Yeah.
And I called him. I told him I want to start a car wash. He asked me like twice, are you sure? I told him yes. And have you identified a site? Nikamwambia yes, I've identified. And I'm yet to go to the county people and to get the papers.
Yes.
So he gave me a go ahead. I came, looked for this place. It was a bush actually. It was a bush. The entrance was not there.
Yeah.
This place was a hole because of the road was expanded before when I was not in Siaya. Actually, I came to Siaya in 2016. That's when I came back to the county.
Yeah.
But I've gone all through. I've been in Mombasa. I've been to Nairobi, to Rwanda, to Eldoret, and then I decided to settle in Siaya. So we cleared the place. We wanted to do the business in a different way, not like any other car wash. So we invested in the business.
Yes.
We did the place, cleaned the place, and made some, so that the place looks more comfortable.
Yes.
Yeah. After we did this, I looked for the boys. I bought the machine. I didn't have the tanks.
Yes.
I had a small one when I was starting. We didn't have water for SIBO. We were buying water. Right now we buy water when we don't have water for SIBO. But when we have water, we store in the tanks, then we use.
Yeah.
So that's how we started. Yeah, I know starting is difficult. I did with a lot of fear, but it picked on. Yeah.
And so you've mentioned somewhere there that you searched for boys. So you didn't start it alone. Huh? No,
I started with one boy and me,
Okay.
the two of us.
Yes.
Yeah, and that day actually we watched so many cars and he was very, very impressed. It was on a Saturday, and on Monday I added another boy, so I had two boys, and that way we kept on growing and growing.
Okay.
Yeah.
So does this business need any money to start?
Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Why? You need the machine. The car wash machine is not less than 33,000. You must have the tank for water. You have the brush, the buckets for the work. And what else? Yeah.
So how much did you use to start it up?
Okay, roughly 33%. Even with 100,000, you can start a car wash.
But ngama onge gi pesa makamano be unyalo chako car wash?
Yes, we have the other smaller machine, which is like 10,000. We have people who can, car wash is a business that you open very easy and close very fast.
Yes.
Why do I say so? The machine can go for 10,000. You can get and buckets and start.
Yes.
But when this machine knocks, if you don't have less than 2,000, 3,000, you have to stop for some time so that you look for money. If you are not saving,
Yeah.
So that one inconvenience your customers, because we know our customers, when they come and they don't find you, next time they won't come.
Yes.
Since I started this car wash, we've never closed. We've never closed apart from 2018 when my dad passed on 20th, the burial date.
Yes.
But we are always on. Always on, and we have backups machines. If this one fails, we replace immediately.
Yes.
Yeah.
So what is your daily to daily work schedule?
Yeah. I open very early in the morning by 6:30, so that by 7 we are set, because we have the county cars, we have personal cars, the people who want to wash the cars very early in the morning before they leave. So by 7 we are set, we are starting. And then the whole day, and we close very early. Actually, I decided to opening very early and closing very late. Yeah.
Until curfew came in.
Yeah.
So how do you get your clients? See, you do customers jinade, because ulianza tuseme magari hayakukuja mingi sana, no gibiro mang'eny dichiel. Ere kaka you do customers?
Okay, I use word of mouth. At the same time, I do a lot of marketing on social media. If you go to my page on Facebook is Mary Omondi. You can follow me. You'll see a lot of my car wash.
Yes.
People in Nairobi know about this car wash.
Yes.
People outside know about this car wash.
Yes.
They're always like, when we visit Siaya, we must come.
Yes.
I think that one has been a plus to me. And again, if I walk around town and I meet somebody with a dirty car, I just tell him, your car is so dirty, we need to wash it.
Yes.
And they ask where. I direct them and they come. That's how I get my clients, from my friends. I have so many friends. Yeah. That's how we do it.
Thank you. That's a good gesture. Anyway, wadhi mana mbele jara Malolwe TV gi thuolo niendi. Kaka oselero kaka nochako, kaka pesa manu tiyo godo, nowacho ni samoro nya bedo ga 100,000 tiyudo gimoro amora mabro konyi e kari mar luoko geche. Wadhi mana nyime kaendi ka gipenjo mogik nikech aneno ka tielo mokwongo chiegno mana rumo, ka tielo mar ariyo bende wadhi bedo kendo wapuonjre. E tielo mokwongo kapok watieko, daher mana mo inyiswa ni ande kaendi itiyo ji adi. Tijni time kendi koso nitie jogo makonyi?
Yes, I don't do it alone. You can't do it alone. I have boys that help me.
Yes.
Yeah, at one point I prefer to have like 4 or 5 so that we can manage all the cars, because we don't like customers coming and leaving because we have jam.
Yes.
Yeah, so we have workers that I pay daily on commission. In the evening I'm done with them.
Yes.
So that's how we work.
Yes.
Thank
you so much. But is there experience pekendi kwa joma konyi kage?
Have I
experienced any challenges with the workers?
Yeah. Actually, that's a very big challenge in car wash, getting workers.
Yes.
You know our people, they think this is dirty work. They think that white collar jobs are the jobs to be done.
Yes.
So getting workers in Siaya has been a challenge, getting car wash workers.
Yes.
So at times we source people from Luya. Yeah. I have this boy that I've stayed with for long, since 2018. He's from Busia, Uganda. So our own people don't like such kind of work. So you might sleep knowing you have a boy. The following morning, the boy has gone.
Yes.
So that's the biggest challenge in the car wash, the boys.
So whenever you experience that kind of challenge, how do you overcome it?
With time, okay, my place is always open. I keep on recruiting. I keep on recruiting daily, and I prefer to have many boys because if I have many boys, the only thing that I will experience is, I give them lunch.
Yes.
Yeah. So if I have 5 boys, that is, when I have 2, I have kidogo, but I have 5. But I prefer having more because we will wash more cars. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. Nejara Malolwe TV tielo mokwongo seko mana chopo gi gikone. Kikidhi mabor kete mana kanyo mondo waduogi iwinje mathoth kotenore kod nyadendi ma ohande en mar car wash niendi. Kete mana kanyo kidhi mabor.
Kazi ni kazi, heshimu kazi yako. Kazi ni kazi, upende kazi yako. Kazi ni kazi, usidharau ya mwenzio. Kazi ni kazi, usichague lolote. Ninasema ni kazi bora chakula. Ninasema ni kazi bora mapato. Waliolinda kazi wamenawiri maisha. Waliopenda kazi wanakula matunda kazi Kazi ni kazi, heshimu kazi yako. Kazi ni kazi, heshimu kazi yako. Kazi ni kazi, upende kazi yako. Kazi ni kazi, usidharau ya mwenzio. Kazi ni kazi, usichague lolote. Ninasema ni kazi bora chakula. Ninasema ni kazi bora mapato. Waliolinda kazi wamenawiri maisha. Waliopenda kazi wanakula matunda kazi Kazi ni kazi, heshimu kazi yako.
Machiegni kende tielo mar ariyo mar chendo mar Walagoro, ka bende kaka nasenyisi kanyo ni pod wago mana touch e dala mar Siaya County, ka wan kamoro ni Junction Car Wash e Siaya Town, ma bende en kar nyadendi Mary Omondi manochako tijni mana katugo, to sani tijni endi nenore ni osekonye e yo malach. Mana kamano machiegni bed kodwa chenro ipuonjri nyaka ang' watieki. Mary, welcome again machiegni.
Erokamano.
Yes. Koro kwa dhi nyime, nitie kiyaoga gimoro amora nwasechako wacho kanyo kotudore kod challenges mag workers. Koro tich moro amora kata ohala moro amora kiyawe nyaka ibed niya iyawe ka in kod target, to ei target nyaka ing'e niya bende nitie ga challenges. So what are the challenges associated with the car wash business?
Okay, as I've said, the first challenge is getting workers.
Yeah.
Getting workers is one of them. Challenge number 2,
Yes.
the same worker can mess you up.
Yes.
Why? We have people in their cars, we have valuable things. You know, you can leave your phone in the car, you can leave your things, but you know, people are not the same.
Yeah.
There's those boys who can pick, yeah?
Yeah.
And most of the times, you find yourself reporting cases in the police station because of the car wash, yeah? Actually, I've gone to the police station severally because of such cases.
Yeah.
But at the same time, I always talk to the clients and they ensure like maybe a spare tire. You might have washed your car in Kisumu and you've come to Siaya, and that is when you are realizing your spare tire is lost.
Yeah.
So I keep on talking to them so that we get to know where the tire got lost.
Yes.
But if it happens that is one of my boys, we have disciplinary cases and we handle it. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. Mana kama na kivinjo ni akuonga ni sana. Kuno endi sama oseyude to nitie yore moketo ne boys ge kata joge makonye tich kaendi makata ka gir client moro lal to yudore. Mana kama na geno ni kwanyo gimoro kanyo ni samora mora miyaw kar tisho in gi jotiche to nitiere challenges machalo kamago. Unji keta rules ma ng'ato nyalo luwo makonge ni gino kotimo tibro kaune atua. Wabina mana nyime mana kaka nwasewacho kwaya challenges corona nyocho donjo. Bende in corona wa affecti nyaka ne odonje pacho.
Yes, corona affected everyone.
Yes.
Corona affected us because by that time there were no cars to be washed.
Yeah.
We were washing very few cars, but we were always open. We were always open, and we had the sanitizers that we were using, and we were making sure that the boys are on masks. Yeah, it was. I know it was risky on the boys and on us, but we had no option.
Yes.
Yeah, we had no option but to continue with business.
So the challenge corona brought you was
the business went low.
Yeah,
the business went low, down.
Customers went down.
Yeah, customers were not around. You remember, people were at home. Yeah, and people preferred washing their cars from the house because they fear transmitted of the same disease of corona.
Okay, now let's go to the target, the benefits. What you targeted with this business, the benefit that is that brought you alive, the ones you can see and the ones you can't. You can just miss from a few.
The business has been doing so well, I can say so. There's so much that we've gotten from this business. And we get the cash from here and invest somewhere else. Right away, I have an upcoming hotel on your way to Ndere, which is coming up. And all this is from cash from the car wash.
Yes.
Apart from that, I said, out of the returns of this car wash, they've enabled me to buy my own car. Yeah, the car you see there is for my husband.
Yes.
But before 16th, February 16th, I'll have my own from the car wash, wherever. Yeah, it works. So long as you're around and you're managing your own business, it works.
Yes.
Yeah.
Bana kaka winjo no jaera Malolwe TV winjo kolero maber kanyo ni ohala ma ji chayo ni ok gidwar donje kata ok gidwar lil niendi nyalo kelo ni gik mang'eny ngimangi kaka en for example ose gero hotel mabiro mochiegni chako tiyo mabende osiemo ni nie yo madhi Ndere e Siaya kaendi mabende bro chako tich sun to mana ko owuok kuom junction car wash kaendi koro kamora mora ma intie kiki cha tich mora mora ng'i anena ni tijno be nya time kikete chunyi ni obro konyi be inyalo manage maber mondo mi otimre nade okonyi gi jogo mabende oluori wadhi mana nyime kaneno ka bende telo mar ariyo niendi sa ok ni kodwa to mana mapiyo piyo wadhi mondo watieki wamedo puonjra ni kuma chopeno ikwanyo puonj kendi puonjori kotenore kod ohala kata ko benisa ya ohala ikwanyo tactics mokari adek minyalo puonjori godo karwandi wadhi mana nyime kaka isewacho ni gari nitie yo biro hotel bende nitie yo to mana ko wuok kae koro puonj mane minyamiyo ng'ama nene sana joma mine sana.
As I said, do not look at your education background. Just, have passion for what you want to do.
Yes.
I had passion for this, and that is why I've gone this long.
Yes.
When I started, I was given 3 months, I will close. I was added another 6 and 9, and later they were like, this Nyogenya is a strong one. She's managed, yeah? So having passion in what you do and doing it wholly, that's the only way you can grow and do it, yeah? And putting aside the peppers, because you cannot eat the peppers.
That is true.
Yeah, we all know that the white collar jobs are few.
Yeah.
We have to create self-employment upon ourselves.
Yes.
It is good to be self-employed because you manage your own time. We work like Christmas. We were working.
Yes.
We didn't have Christmas. Okay, we have plans. I'll be going for holiday in Mombasa
Yes.
this January.
Yes.
This is when I have time because after this we have Valentine, then we have Easter.
Yeah.
Again, we'll be busy.
Yes.
So, with business, you can plan. You can plan. You have a target to meet. You work towards it. You work so hard. It is your own. You know, when I wake up and come here, I know it is mine.
Yes.
I'm growing my own business. I'm doing my own thing.
Yes.
Even when I leave here at 9, I know
Yeah.
I've left my business.
Yes.
Yeah. So this business keeps me going. It has made my life in Siaya very easy and enjoyable. At first I was like, how am I going to live in Siaya? But when I started the car wash, I meet so many people. I've met so many people. I have so many friends through this car wash. So it is possible. Once you put your passion and hard working.
Yes.
Hard working is key. Yeah.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
So that's what we call mwanamke bomba.
Yeah, mwanamke bomba. I love business. I love money. I can do anything for money. So long as I'm doing the right thing at the right place at the right time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks so much. Thanks so much. Mana kamano ka kiwinjo Jarama Lolwe TV owacho ni tich moro amora as long as no mi pesa maler temi time kete chunyi nikech tijno bro konyi mana kaka en gi passion mar bedo kod car wash. Josem kata jogo mane ok ne kodhi maber nomiye ndalo ni mai kochopo kata dweche ariyo dhi loro, lakini gi kinda manoketo omiyo ok noloro dukano. Pod odhi sani ochako ike mar 4. Mane chuny ma ji dwaro samiya ohala, joma bo wuoyo nitiere, joma bro semi bende nitiere. Lakini kiketo chunyi gi gino nikech en gima yiero, itime koya e chunyi, gino bro konyi e ngimani. Wadhi mana nyime, ageno ni pod ipuonjori kodwa kod Lady Mary Omondi kaendi ma bende oseleronwa kaka nochako tijni, bende kaka tijni osekonye mochopo e thuolo ma wantiere niendi. Machiegni wadhi mana mbele Mary. Erokamano ahinya. Koro siri mari mar dhi maber, what is your strategy? Siri mari mar dhi maber gi ohala niendi. Because inyalo yudo ka jomoko ochako ohala maber but inafikia njiani inakufa. Koro in mari momiyo ok inyal loro gini liwe liwalo en man.
Thank you so much. What I do actually, I do customer care personally. Yeah, I handle cases personally and I'm always here. Always, I make sure that I'm always here. This is my office. I keep on telling people that is my office. However it looks, that is my office.
Yes.
So being around, and also there's something that I started doing things that the other car washes are not doing.
Yes.
Like I pick cars from my clients. There are people who are busy. I pick car, wash and return it back.
Yes.
Yeah. So we have ladies who don't come to car wash. Even before I started the car wash, I had never stepped on a car wash.
Yes.
Now, such kind of ladies, they have my number, they call me, Mary, and they trust me. Trust has kept the business.
Yes.
They trust me, they give me their car straight to the car wash. They don't go anywhere, just straight. And I think that way, I've built my name, and it's a plus to the business.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Mana kamano ka kolero kamano ni en siri mare mar maber. En loso maber kod customer. Kinde gi customer yom. Kinde gi customer ber. Oyie kata dhi kaw gari. Kopo ni ng'ato nie tich to gombo ni gache oluoki gache olil. Kogocho ne to dhi ng'wech okaw. Nikech ong'e nang'o ni mane tije ma bende timore nade keto ne chiemo ewi mesa. Oloso kinde gi customers, o make sure ni client odil godo kende wuon ok owene jotich mondo mi o build trust e kindgi kata geno ma ng'ato yie ni ng'ane to konyisi to bro timo. Ageno ni kwanyo puonj kanyo Jarama Lolwe TV e chenro ma kawuono niendi kasa benda neno kadwa mayo wa ng'ato kapok watieko tine anyise mondo omi wayor tudruok mare mondo mi koka watieki. Mary, ere kaka inyal yudi? Your phone number?
As I said, on Facebook, follow me, Mary Omondi. My phone number is 0713 74 7952. 0713 74 7952. Call me anytime if you need any advice. When you want to start up, I've received so many calls on this car wash. I've mentored so many people to start car wash. Some of them are starting like, Mary, you are doing well. Tell us what you are doing. I'm never mean with information, yeah? I give it. You can call me if you want to start a car wash. I will guide you through.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Mary. Thank you so much. Mana kamanero kamano ne jogo mobedo kodwe chenro gedo ni ikwanyo puonj kanyo. Mary wacho kanyo ni en thuolo gi ngata ngata. Kidwaro ni opuonji yo moninge lo kata kidwa mana yao ohala machal gi mareni mar car wash ni endi obro puonji. Koro kik ibuogi kata kik ingukri. Kidwa gocho ne gochnya gocha obro konyi samora mora ma imanye. Mana kamano Jana Malon TV ero kamano ne jogo opuonjore kodwa odiochieng' ma kawuono ni endi waro murunge so manyien oritu masani nyinga Millicent Adhiambo.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Kazi ni kazi, heshimu kazi yako. Kazi ni kazi, upende kazi yako. Kazi ni kazi, usidharau ya mwenzio. Kazi ni kazi, usichague lolote. Ninasema ni kazi bora chakula. Ninasema ni kazi bora mapato. Waliolinda kazi wamenawiri maisha. Waliopenda kazi wanakula matunda kazi Kazi ni kazi, heshimu kazi yako.